Guys, this is the ultimate test of how tough and durable this is, okay? Don't do this at home. But I'm gonna prove to you that this thing can hold 225 pounds. Solid muscle. All right, guys. Give it one of those. I'm still standing, okay? Don't do this at home, guys. All right, there you go. Proof that it works, that this thing is sturdy. No cracks, guys. No cracks. Look at that, okay? Look at that, guys. Perfect. This thing is solid. Watch the video on how I installed it. I highly recommend this product. It's awesome. It's durable. Give it a go. Guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the OEDRO. This is a very popular type of hardtop. Okay, I am loving it, guys. It looks really, really good. Okay, so OEDRO. Okay, and I love it. It's looking really good. So the thing that I like about the hardtops is that they're going to be a lot more secure and against knife cuts. Okay, so it's going to keep your cargo more secure. We're going to put this on the Ridgeline. Very easy to do. It comes with all the hardware. Guys, this stuff, it just screws on. I'll show you how to do that. You're going to put these on because you're not going to have them. I actually have some existing ones on already, so I'm going to use the ones that I currently have that are existing. But all you need is to screw that out and put it in, guys. But that's what it looks like, okay? So I've added these D-rings. These are kind of extras here for me. With the D-rings, if you put them in, you're gonna need longer screws, and I believe these are M6 screws, okay? But for that side, I can just use the original screws. You'll see it over there if you look carefully. That's the original screw, okay? Pay attention. So you're gonna get this, okay? And it's gonna go right in there. You're gonna need a Torx. It's either 30, 40, or 50. I'm not 100% sure. But make sure it's nice and tight, guys. Okay. That was a sample of the first one, okay? So it's gonna look like that. You're gonna do that 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3, okay? Same here. 1, 2, 3. Very easy to do, guys. Once you get these 6 all in, all you gotta do is set that one up. So let's do that now. But before we do that, flip it over, put on this. Okay, so this is gonna screw on. Okay, look at that. Now this is the bottom. This part is gonna latch onto this. Okay. All right, guys, so here's a pro tip. Make sure you've got plenty of weather stripping, not only in the back, which I do have. Okay, so that's my weather stripping right here, this one. But also just a little bit right here on the sides, okay? Maybe about 4 to 6 inches. This really helps with preventing water from getting in. Most of the time the water builds up in the back over here, and then it manages to get inside. So by doing this, you're minimizing water intrusion, okay? I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna set it on top, tighten it down. It's gonna work phenomenal, guys. So the first step to securing down this, after you get the hardware on, all you gotta do, slide it in there, just like that. You see that? And then you just twist it, and you're gonna secure this really good. Make sure you center it really good first from the top. You wanna make sure it's even, guys. And then after you do that, you're gonna take the wing nut and you're gonna secure it again. And this is kind of like a backup, so this doesn't come out. But guys, by doing it this way, this thing is super duper secured. And if you look back here, there's no light showing, which means that the weather stripping is working really well, and that you put the weather stripping on right. If you got light coming through the back, that means that you're gonna have gaps and you're gonna get water, okay? So make sure you pay attention to that. Gosh, doing this with one hand is not fun, guys. Anyways, let's see here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna tighten that down, and then we're gonna go over here and tighten this side down as well. So we're gonna take that, slide it in. Okay, slide it in down there. See that? Can you guys see that? See it. So we're gonna tie this down really good. Get the wing nut right here and put that in. There you go. Okay, so you got the wing nut on. And when you look back here, there's no lights. Okay, so if you see light coming through, you got a gap. You got to make sure there's no gaps, guys. Make sure you got enough weather stripping. And honestly, it's not a bad idea to put two layers of weather stripping. Okay, that's really going to secure it in place. No issues with that at all. Okay, so make it tight on both sides. So all you do is you take this, put that in. You're going to spin it. Keep spinning it. And you're gonna keep doing it till it's about the right height. And you'll know that when we put it down, match it, we'll be able to see. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is fold it down. And I'm gonna show you. Left to loose, guys, until it fits. There it is. Okay, you take this pin and you put it in the hole right here. And guys, this thing, try to push up on it, it's super tight. Okay, now if someone has like a crowbar and tries to break this, it's going to be freaking tough, guys, because these things clamp on well. You've got 3 of these on each side. Okay, so 3 types of clamps. We're gonna go do the other side. Gonna show you here. And just like that. Take this pin, put it in. Guys, this thing is secured. It's not going up. Okay? Super. Put it in like that. Okay. Spin it. Alright. We're gonna do that's the end of the installation. So this. Completely take this, put it down just like that. On the inside, you can see this here, and as I zoom in, right there, it's going to clamp in just like that, guys. Okay, guys, it's a tight, solid fit. We're going to do this side next. Okay, all done. Again, you've got these pins here, so you're going to put the pin on that. You're going to put the pin on this. Guys, we are completely done. This is a beautiful hardtop, okay? Really, really beautiful. I'm liking it, guys. No complaints on this. It looks really good. It's really solid, really tight. It's OEDRO brand. Again, make sure you got enough weather stripping on. This thing here is just a placeholder, so just pull that foam out, and then to secure it, guys, and to open it, really easy. So to open it, it's just the reverse of what we did. I'll show you. Okay, all you gotta do, pull the pins out, pull the pins out, open this up. Again, guys, I love this design because it's super secure, super durable. I'm gonna fold these down there, fold these down to here. Okay, I'm gonna pull the pin out here. Okay, open that up. Pull the pin out of this one, open that up. Fold it again. And guys, now you're in business. This goes in here. Okay, so this goes, if you guys can see it, this thing will keep this from flying open. So let's say you want to drive with this on. Well, it's not going to move around because now it's secured with these straps. Okay, so it's secured with these straps. I'm gonna slide it in. Now it's secured. Okay, and guys, I am loving this OEDRO hardtop. It's also the same company as Yita Motor. Okay, they sent this to me, guys. I am loving it. It's lasting. It's holding up really, really well. So I've been very pleased with it. Give it one of those, guys. I highly recommend it. Check the links out in the description. As a pro tip, I took some duct tape and I put the duct tape on this just to kind of keep this from wearing out more. But the duct tape is kind of saving the corners here. So, guys, I love this thing. It's awesome. And to close it, I already showed you how to do that. Love it, guys. Over and out. All right, guys. Give it one of those. I'm still standing. Okay? Don't do this at home, guys. All right. There you go. Proof that it works. That this thing is sturdy. No cracks, guys. No cracks. Look at that. Okay? Look at that, guys. Perfect. This thing is solid. Watch the video on how I installed it. I highly recommend this product. It's awesome. It's durable. Give it a go.